They just built the Atlas. Safe to say. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So, he's got like 4 different poses. His shield goes underneath him so he can lay down. He can ski. But as you see, his foot's already come off the mount. He's top heavy. Like, we couldn't get him to stand up without the stand. Stability-wise, it's there. I don't know. What do you think, babe? What's your take on it?
So I didn't like the Atlas when I saw the box. It's a cool looking design, but I didn't see how it was supposed to work very well. So I didn't want it. I got the full armor Gundam, and I got her the Psycho Zaku, and I think those are going to be awesome. Still haven't built them yet, but I think both of them would be great. But yeah, the Atlas, definitely not my cup of tea.
Just stop.
Again.
He decided that he wanted to switch the way that it looked. Hand me that sucker. Hand it here. So in order to switch the way you look at it, I'll fix it in a minute. You have to take the side wings off and switch the sides and then rotate them because they have a piece right here where they rotate. But in order to change the position, you have to take it off and switch sides. It doesn't just change. It's not like that. So no, I do not like this Atlas at all. None. Like, just to change it took me 3 minutes, and his shield fell off in the process. Stupid.